Hi, Craig here with Digga. So today we're going to talk about our Bigfoot XD high flow trencher. This particular model that we're looking at now has our 60-inch boom. We also make this trencher available in high flow and a 48-inch boom. This trencher also offers a mounting system for a Mini X or skid steer, either one. We could do either one, skid steer or Mini X mount. It also has the Bigfoot foot, which allows this trencher to be adjusted from 30 to 60-inch dig depth. And the trencher comes in chain widths from 6 inches to 12 inches. Now this particular trencher that we're looking at here today has our Digga chain on it, which is all rock teeth. It also comes in an earth model or a combo chain model. And as all of the Digga trenchers, it has the adjustable footer, which is spring loaded, and it adjusts itself as you're starting your trench.